So folks, welcome back to this GME, and I got some massive news for you all. Something really crazy happened today, and what I did, watch the entire video and you will see what exactly I did. So me personally, I'm just sharing my thing. My average price was a little bit too high, was around like $36, and I decided why not to buy more of GME stock. So I invested more in GME stock and probably invested more $1 million. So my cost base is around $1.4 million, holding positions right here. Can you see here? GME 50,000 shares. So if I go on trades, you see bought 8,000, 10,000, 7,000, and 10,000 GME. So these are like 35,000 shares bought on GME today because I see something really interesting coming in GME because GME will explode to very, very good side. So taking this in consideration, folks, let me get back to the charts to see what GME is doing and what is going on with GME exactly and where we are heading in GME. But folks, also telling you, manage your risk properly. Invest the money very carefully. Do not gamble in the stock market. Never ever gamble in the stock market. Be very careful where you invest because that's all your money, and try not to just invest blindly. It's not like you're watching this video and you just have to invest, okay? You do what your guts or will, your heart, whatever it says. Just do that. So GME on a daily chart, we are still on a very consolidation. And now, as I told you, that this downtrend line has to end. But how it can really end? So we actually need GME to break out 20. Oh, hold on. So we need GME to break out above $26. If we break above $26, so we break that downwards trend line, we do absolutely. Because here's a trend line that what I'm talking about, that if GME really breaks that trend line, but GME has to go above $26, only then GME will be able to go on the upside. But we are on an absolute consolidation, and again we are on a W pattern, very clear on a daily chart. But let's see what 4 hour chart really gave to us. Surprise. Okay, so 4 hour chart, head and shoulder pattern. It's absolutely still valid because we on a downtrend, we broke the downtrend and we are heading towards on the upside, and we are in a very tight consolidation between $26 and $22.86. And if we break above $26, folks, we are kind of on a very good side. And my average price right now on GME is $28. So $28, of course, I'll be break even. And anyways, we're not going to talk something really useless in this video. We will talk something what is really important, and also something what is going on with GME on a 4 hour chart. As I told you, we are still sitting now. Actually, in my last week I was telling GME has no chance of the W pattern, like had W pattern on 4 hour chart. But now it's highly possible, and it's very highly possible on a 4 hour chart to form a W pattern because we had an uptrend. We got the curl back on the upside, and we can head on another spike. But again, will this stock have a massive spike or no? Anyways, folks, this is a meme stock. It's a meme stock. It's not something really something useless. A meme stock is excuse me. A meme stock is not about how can I say, it's not about buying or selling or something having fun. It's all about taking the advantage of that stock, or taking the real advantage from the stock there, in where you can squeeze the maximum amount of profit from these kind of stocks. That's some meme stocks, and that's what I'm talking about. So on a daily chart, if we turn, so we are sitting on a very good position on a daily chart. And again, folks, again, remember that on a daily chart, we are looking for a spike up. But again, it might take 3 or 4 days for us to form the curl back, like a U-shaped pattern right here. If we form that, so we are sitting on a very, very good thing. But also, folks, GME on a 200-day moving average and a 50-day moving average, we are above 250-day moving average on GME. Remember that. On GME, we are above 200 and also above 50-day moving average. So the chart for now, it's absolutely showing very good. It's having a solid support, and that's the reason I invested more in GME, because I see something really interesting coming in GME, because it might, or it will explode very, very soon, but need to have patience. Again, this is not to influence anyone on the internet. This is, I'm telling what I think, it's going to happen, and what risk I am taking, right? Absolutely. So folks, do not gamble in any stock where you have no knowledge. And even if you want to invest in any companies, learn about that, learn about the charts, and learn about the things, how the company works, how the meme stock works, and how the price action works in these kind of companies, folks. If you want to know more, join the Discord down at the link below, and you can see where we are buying and selling even the other stocks. And if you're interested, yes, you can join, and maybe you can have the other benefits. Folks, GME, what I think, GME will explode, but the point is, if it explodes, to what price point it might end up coming back down. I think $48, if it explodes, that can be a real quick spike and just flush back down. This can be possible, and the second scenario can be possible if that really holds on a very good level, $48. $48. So we are looking for these kind of levels, $63. If that 48 holds very good, we will look 63 as a resistance to form a nice W pattern on a daily chart. So there are two scenarios. It's highly possible, because right now, as you see, we are still in a formation of that pattern, what I was talking in this video. And folks, this is just my idea, my thinking, how the stock might end up, but you might have another idea. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, folks, and see you in the next video. GME, and GME, it's gonna explode. According to my opinion, I think GME will explode, and we will wait and watch and take that advantage from GME, because GME is the king if it explodes. Thank you so much. See you next time, and probably see you in the Discord so we can discuss more and more. Bye.